Hey, my beauties, welcome back. Today we're talking about something you can feel but can't always explain. When he's clearly catching feelings but trying to control himself. Not obvious chasing, not full confession, but that quiet struggle where his actions don't match his effort to stay distant. I've put real thought into this because this phase is the most confusing, but also the most telling. It's when he acts normal one moment and slightly different the next. Stay till the end, because these are the signs he's losing control over his feelings without even realizing it. He tries to pull away, then comes back. You'll notice a pattern where he creates a little distance, then suddenly returns like nothing happened. For example, he might reply less for a day or two, then come back with a random message like, "What are you doing?" or something casual. It feels inconsistent, but it's actually very telling. That push and pull is not confusion, it's control versus feelings. He's trying to manage how much he's getting attached, but he can't fully stay away. The moment he creates distance, he starts thinking about you more. That makes him come back without a strong reason. He doesn't explain it, he just reappears. And that's how you know he's failing to stay detached. Number 2. He acts normal, then gets soft with you. One moment he's completely normal, even a little distant, and the next his tone changes. He becomes softer, calmer, or slightly more attentive without any clear reason. For example, he might suddenly say something like, "Did you eat?" or notice something small about you. That shift feels subtle, but real. He doesn't plan that softness, it just slips out. That's the part of him that actually likes you. Even if he tries to stay neutral, those moments break through. You'll notice it especially when you're not expecting it, and that's what makes it meaningful. 3. He remembers more than he should. He remembers small things you said without making it obvious. For example, you mentioned something random days ago, and he casually brings it up later. It's not in a dramatic way, just a small reference that shows he was paying attention. That level of memory is not normal for someone who's not invested. He doesn't even realize he's doing it. Those details stay with him because you stayed in his mind. It's not effort, it's attachment forming slowly. He might act like it's nothing, but it means a lot, and that's a clear sign he's already affected. Number 4. He watches you more than he talks. Sometimes he doesn't say much, but you can feel his attention. He looks at you, notices your reactions, and observes quietly. For example, when you're talking to others, he still pays attention to you without interrupting. That silent attention is intentional. He's trying to stay controlled by not engaging too much, but his focus gives him away. He's more aware of you than he wants to be. That quiet observation turns into emotional interest. And that's how you know he's not as unaffected as he seems. Number 5. He gets affected by your energy. Your mood affects him more than it should. If you're slightly distant, he becomes quieter. If you're happy and playful, he responds better. For example, if you ignore him a little, you'll notice his behavior shift quickly. That reaction is not random. He's trying to stay neutral, but your energy breaks that control. He reacts without thinking too much about it. That emotional response shows he's already invested. Even if he hides it, it shows in his behavior. And that's what makes it obvious. Number 6. He leaves things unsaid. There are moments where it feels like he wanted to say something, but didn't. For example, he starts a sentence, pauses, and changes it. Or he types something, then sends a simpler version instead. That hesitation is not accidental. He's holding back his real thoughts. That usually happens when feelings are involved. He doesn't want to reveal too much, so he filters himself. But those small pauses give it away. And that's where you see the real emotion behind his actions. 7. He keeps the connection alive. Even when there's no real reason, he doesn't let the connection fully end. For example, he sends random messages, replies to old things, or reacts just enough to stay present. It's never too much, but it's consistent. That effort is quiet but intentional. He doesn't want to fully let go of you. Even if he tries to step back, he keeps a small connection open. That way, you're never completely out of his life. That behavior shows he's not ready to lose you, and that's why he keeps coming back. It's not always the loud actions that show real feelings. Sometimes it's the hesitation, the inconsistency, and the small emotional reactions that say everything. Those are the moments where he's trying to stay in control but slowly losing it. So if you notice these signs, understand this clearly. He's not confused, he's feeling something and trying to manage it. If you like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which one you noticed first.